computer engineer. Glad to tell you all that I was a part of HackP 2020, organized by Kerala Police. We Team Hack Elite developed a tool called Reconator under the category OSINT, which would help for effective policing. Our tool has various features involved in it, like LinkedIn enumeration, who is lookup, subdomain extraction, and a lot more. My contribution to this tool was subdomain extraction. Now, talking about subdomain extraction, it mainly extracts subdomains associated with a particular URL. It basically gives a list of various subdomains under a URL. It was a great experience working on this, especially in this pandemic. Got to learn a lot more, explore various hacking tools, etc. Lastly, I would like to thank my college for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanishka. I was a part of Kerala Hackathon. So how we worked on this hackathon is that we divided the work amongst ourselves and everyone was working on a different feature. The feature I was working on is called as GitRecon. GitRecon is basically a feature used for extracting email addresses of the GitHub users. For example, the police has a target GitHub repository. Then they just had to get the URL of that GitHub repository, and in one click they'll get all the information about the number of creators plus their contact emails. So it's very useful and easy feature in the Reconator, and in the end we put together all the features and we showcased a project. It was 1 week ago and we did not win, but surely it has taught me a lot. The biggest thing that I've learned from this hackathon is that it's not really about the programming and working on your own trying to win this rat race, but it's about working in a team, helping your team members to do better in the next goals, getting completed with all the code pages, whatever code pages we have designed for your project, and then getting it done in a team, finishing it off and then presenting it. So I had a great time and I'm very grateful for my college for giving me this opportunity, and thank you. I think we did our best.
Hi, I'm Prithvi Shetty and was a part of the hackathon organized by the Kerala Police. Our goal was to make a tool which will aid the police in their investigations. So we prepared a tool called Reconator, an OSINT tool. OSINT is open source intelligence which will give you all the public information available on the internet. Like suppose if the police wants to know some information about a suspect, so they can use our tool to get the digital footprint of that suspect, which will include his emails or the social sites he's been active on or the networking sites he's been using. So my part in it was to make a tool which will give you a list of all the networking sites that person has been active on. Since it was my first time, I was very excited and also nervous, but I got to learn so many new things like OSINT and developing a tool and using command prompt for programming. So if you guys come across any such competitions or hackathons, then you should definitely go for it. Even if you don't win, that's okay, since you'll be getting so many new things to learn. I would like to say thank you to Aarti ma'am and our college for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
I am Himanshu Singh, studying second year computer engineering. In this hackathon, we have made one tool named as Reconator. This tool is used for gathering information which are publicly available on the internet.
Hello everyone, and my name is Urvesh Thakkar and I am from the second year engineering department. We participated in Kerala Police Hackathon with an aim to gain more experience and to learn that how the industry works in the real time. And our aim was to develop an OSINT tool that will help police to analyze the information and collect more information. And in this tool we developed various Python modules using independent Python libraries, and which were helpful for police in collecting information. And this is how we developed and submitted our tool. Although we couldn't acquire a top 3 position, but then yes, we grabbed the top 50 position. We were in the top 50 teams and we got awesome swag such as t-shirt, cap and stickers and badge and mask. and it was a wonderful experience being a part of this Kerala Police Hackathon. And I would recommend to every student that take more part and grab the opportunities and try to participate in as much as competitions as possible, because it will definitely help you all to increase your confidence, to understand how the industry works in real time, and it will help you to improve your soft skills as well as practical skills. Thank you.